Industrial organisations across the Asia-Pacific region and in India are really looking at what their operational transformation choices need to be. They're looking at creating highly efficient operational environments that are focused on delivering quality and maximising production. And in order to do that, they're really looking at how they can, what roadmap they need to have in place, what are the technology choices they need to make, and how that enables them to transform their processes and deliver a transformed operational environment that can deliver those outcomes. So please come and join us in Hyderabad on the 9th and the 10th of August at our DX Summit.